Congratulations.
Thank you. Thank you.
Duke
very much.
390.
Thank you.
Anyone?
Yes.
So, congratulations and guys.
Thank you. Thank you.
Speed. We all love speed, and for speed, our choice of vehicle is a motorbike. There is a saying, four wheels drive the body, but two wheels drive the soul. For this reason only, motorbikes are really special to us. Everyone has its own dream bike. Previously, I used to ride a Hero Extreme 150. It is a good motorbike, but it's now time to upgrade. I really wanted to buy a sports bike, but they are very uncomfortable on long rides and for daily rides also, for their bended riding posture. So I thought of going for such a bike which has a sports element to it and also very comfortable for daily rides. So here it is guys, I present to you the KTM Duke 390, the naked all-rounder, the corner rocket, or as I call it, the Bolt.
Yeah. Minimum sloth. Minimum stress. Tactical best, classic dress. Minimum gangster. Minimum love. Minimum extra. Yeah, number 3G, number 9. Minimum gangster. Boom boom, bang bang, slow mo, low beat. Ching ching, black, nasz flow, nasz beat. Yeah, dit is de zoom, signalisatie. Band af, minimalisatie. Boom boom, this beat, winna, repeat. Wist this beat, hoe ver, valid. Himne, zo goed, je cash, je voet. Kan meer, ze bloed, en niet heel goed. Nee, laat je beat, nee, laat je dansen. Minimum moves, minimalisatie. Minimum beat, minimum gats. Minimum moves, minimalisatie. Minimum gangster. Kijk, minimum gangster. Nummer 3G. Yeah. Kijk, minimum gangster. Minimum sloth. Minimum stress. Tactical best, classic dress. Minimum gangster. Minimum love. Minimum extra. Yeah, number 3G, number 9. Minimum gangster. Boom boom, bang bang, slow mo, low beat. Ching ching, black, nasz flow, nasz beat. Yeah, dit is de zoom, signalisatie. Band af, minimalisatie. Boom boom, this beat, winna, repeat. Wist this beat, hoe ver, valid. Himne, zo goed, je cash, je.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. And here it is, my new machine, the KTM Duke 390, or as I call it, the Bolt. Look at this, it has a very sporty design and this color scheme is very aggressive. The silver and orange paint scheme, it looks so aggressive. And my personal favorite is the front headlight. It has this LED headlamp which splits from the middle. It looks really very sharp, and also in the front it has those thick WP upside down suspension. It looks really very gorgeous in its orange paint scheme. Look at this, its wheels are also orange, and in the front we have this beautiful 17 inches alloy wheel along with the 110 by 70 inches MRF tire, which are super sticky. And also for your safety, we have these switchable dual channel ABS, and in the front we have this 320 mm front brake for our safety by Brembo. Along with that, it has a 13.5 liter of fuel tank capacity with a claimed fuel efficiency of 25. Well, the fuel efficiency is quite low, but the amount of fun you can get on this bike is unlimited. Behind this orange and black coated steel frame, we have a 373cc 4-valve single-cylinder liquid-cooled fuel injected engine. It generates a maximum power of 43.5 bhp at 9000 rpm and a maximum torque of 37 Nm at 7000 rpm. It is also very lightweight and has a carb weight of only 167 kg. And also it has a top speed of 167 km per hour. Its ground clearance is quite low, which is 185 mm. Because of this underbelly exhaust system we got in the BS6 model. That's why we have this underbelly cover. It has this beautiful and smooth 6-speed gearbox, and its seat height is quite good. Its seat height is also quite good. It has a seat height of 830 mm. You can easily see my height is 5 feet 8 inches and my feet easily touch the ground. So it is quite very comfortable. This bike gets a 7-step adjustable monoshock suspension, and also it has a beautiful side hung exhaust system which is quite small and attractive. Let's hear the exhaust sound. Hear it, the sound is quite smooth and it is not very loud. It will not attract the cops. At the rear, it has a 150/60 section MRF tire and a 230mm rear disc brake mounted on a 17 inches orange alloy wheel, and it also has a ABS which can be turned off from the instrument console. It is called the Supermoto mode. And the things I don't like about this bike, that it heats up quite often, and after only 2 to 3 kilometers of ride, the radiator fan turns on and the heating issue is quite very uncomfortable, and it can harm you if you don't wear proper riding boots. There is a downside in KTM Duke 390. As for my opinion, the seats are quite hard, so it is very uncomfortable for long ride. Also the pillion seat is very hard. Secondly, I don't like its ground clearance so much because it is too low and it touches every bumper in our Indian road and it can harm the engine. Finally, I think this bike is quite overpriced. I got this bike at a on-road price of 3,25,000 in Kolkata. It is quite overpriced. The previous price was quite considerable. That was 3,15,000. It also has a fully functional instrument console. Come, let us have a look. Look at this. It has a 5-inch TFT display. Also, it comes with all the necessary indicator like gear shifting indicator, ABS indicator, engine malfunction indicator, and others indicators. It also has some additional function which we can set with this button. Like if you press the set button, it opens up the menu. In the menu, you have KTM My Ride, trips and data. Under trips and data, we have trip 1, trip 2, and the warning sign. Under warning sign, we have side stand warning, and also it comes with a low fuel warning. Under motorcycle, we have ABS, which can be turned off and on with the road mode and supermoto mode. With the supermoto mode, the rear ABS can be turned off. Quick Shift Plus is a feature by which you can downshift the gear without losing the speed. Also under settings menu, you have favorites, quick selector 1, quick selector 2, and Bluetooth. Via Bluetooth, you can control music and receive phone calls. Display themes under display theme. It has two display theme. One is automatic and other is night. I prefer to keep it in the night mode. I spent 2 years arranging money to buy this bike. Have to convince my parents 14 times before buying the bike. I booked this bike on 28th Feb 2021. They called me on 3rd April 2021 to come and get the bike from showroom. I went there on 6th April 2021 and finally got my dream bike. This bike cost me 3,25,000 rupees on road in Kolkata. That's all guys for today. See you guys in the next vlog. Bye.